Let's use ZEISS reverse engineering to generate a tool for a freeform shaped part that we have already scanned. To transition this mesh to a freeform surface, I will use the feature Surface Approximation to Points. You can think of this tool like draping a cloth over the part to create the freeform surface. Next, we click our mesh, take a nice top view of our part, and select our parameters. For the segments, let's set the U and V values and set the iterations for this part. Let's now execute and close. Looking at our part, we can see that all details have remained and look good, so let's move on to the next step. We can now create a solid around our part. Next, we can give a nice top view of our part, move the corner of our cube, and then extend the sides to fully enclose the desired area of our part and click Execute and Close. Our final step is to subtract the freeform surface from the cube to create our mold. To do this, we will use the Boolean operations menu found here. For the type of Boolean operation, we will select difference. Finally, let's select our final body and export our new final CAD model. These methods show you how easily you can turn your mesh into 3D CAD models. If you want to know more on reverse engineering, or for more product information, or you have further questions about 3D scanning, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com or follow the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.